Estate planning on a budget, how to get started without breaking the bank. Who's this video for? This is for those of you who love to look up things on the internet, do it yourself, educating yourself. We established Texas estate and probate lawyers, and we're making these videos so that you know what you want, you know what's important to you, and you can establish a relationship with an estate planning lawyer, knowing what you want and having the education to say what you need. A lot of times we'll hear how much, and I'll tell you why that's the wrong place to start. Really what you want to know is how much am I risking, or what's the cost if I don't do this? Because we can help you, we can tell you how much something costs, and we can give you advice on what to do. But the real reason we want you to make any decision and purchase any product is because not doing so would be worse for your family, worse for your pocketbook. So we want you to have the tools to do what you can on your own, and then seek an estate planning attorney for those things that you might need advice about. So educate yourself with online resources and videos like this. Think about what's important to you, what your goals are. Maybe it's not important to you that, who receives your estate as much as that it stays out of probate. Or maybe you're one of those people that knows that the probate process isn't as scary as it seems. Different families have different needs and different circumstances, and they're all unique, and yours are important. What your needs are important and unique. So you want to think about the upfront cost to doing what makes sense for you versus what happens if you do nothing. The value of drafting these documents that may cost some amount of money versus just leaving it up to chance and the circumstances that exist at the time when you no longer have the ability to change anything. Often what that means is passing the buck on to your loved ones to deal with, which most of the time ends up being more costly than had you just planned and worked through some strategies, and even working through some cost-saving strategies that your estate planning attorney may be able to help you with. So really the goal here is open communication, educating yourself, knowing what is most important to you, and communicating those needs to an estate planning attorney that you trust.